Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling the phone's mobile hotspot so your Chromebook can see it. On most phones, go to Settings, then Hotspot and Tethering. Enable the hotspot and set a simple password. Once done, switch your Chromebook's Wi-Fi on and open Quick Settings to scan networks. Make sure you check battery and mobile data allowance before connecting, and consider a USB cable if you need to save phone battery while tethering. You'll now select the phone's SSID from the Chromebook network list and enter the hotspot password. This establishes the link, so type the password carefully. Once connected, set the network to private to permit device discovery and smoother access to Google services like Drive or printing. If your job needs a VPN or proxy, enable it after verifying credentials. Otherwise, avoid extra layers that can slow browsing. Make sure sync and updates run once you have a stable link. Finish by testing browsing, Drive sync, and a short video to ensure reliable speed and latency. This confirms apps behave normally. If Wi-Fi is unstable or the phone's battery is low, plug the phone into the Chromebook and enable USB tethering for stable, power-sharing connectivity. If problems persist, restart the hotspot, have the Chromebook forget and rejoin the network, or toggle airplane mode on the phone. These quick resets fix most transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.